species, one band. Yes, SpongeBob and the high seas are gonna raise the reef at the Bikini Bottom Fishbowl tonight for one fin-flapping performance. Come see the group that Rolling Wave magazine calls a 500 megaton depth charge of subaquatic hits. SpongeBob and the high seas with special guest Plankton. Be there and be square. Tickets available at all Ticket Tyrant locations.
Okay, drummer, count us in.
Yeah, drummer, count us in.
Okay, you're the drummer.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Down here in the foamy brine, we get so bored sometimes.
We need a thrill to kill some time, so we go out and find a fishing line.
We give a little tug and hang on tight, make the man upstairs think he's got a bite.
You gotta know when to stop, you gotta drop before you reach the top.
They reel you in so fast. Let's see who lets go last. It's a blast! Ride the hook now, ride the hook now, ride the hook now, ride the hook now. Take it up again.
7, 5, 4, 3, 2.
You better have nerve to deal if you wanna be the rider real.
Pull back down.
Hey guys, it's me again. Tonight we're gonna draw Mega Blastoise.
I take that charge, I need a buzz.
You must know Mega Blastoise was one of 2014's classic and most popular of the Kalos region's Mega Evolved Pokemon, even though it's one of the starter Pokemon from the Kalos region. Of course, in the Kalos region, you can get Kanto region Pokemon.
What does it have to be backwards? 5, 4, 3, 2.
Well, now that we got Kalos region Pokemon and Kanto region Pokemon that you can get at the same time, I hope they have Hoenn region Pokemon for the next Kalos region update in the video game. One of the awesome features of Mega Blastoise is that huge cannon on his back.
Working my 9 to 5. But then I went that extra mile. I gave 'em service with a smile. That's me, employee of the month. That's me, employee of the month. Although some might say that working hard's for fools, I've come all this way with just some simple rules. Keep your station clean and bright. The customer is always right.
There's Blastoise's cannon.
That's me, employee of the month. That's me, employee of the month. He works so hard, but I never once complained. He works so hard.
That huge cannon on his back isn't the only feature that he has. He also has these giant hose cannons.
It's time to check in with Dover Soul with the Bikini Bottom weather. Hey, Dover, give us the once over.
Okay, Al. Here's the 7-day forecast for Bikini Bottom. It's going to be wet, 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 followed by a wet weekend. And remember, kids, fishing season open today, so keep clear of those hooks, lines, and sinkers. Don't get tangled. Later.
That's right, Dover. Remember, kids, play by the book. Don't ride the hook.
We all know that the alphabet has 26 letters. Come! You can mix and match to make many nouns and verbs. But if you say the wrong one to your mama, it may upset her. So in Bikini Bottom, we have a word that's preferred. We just say barnacles. It's a word that's okay to scream when you want to let off some steam and say what you really mean. We just yell barnacles and go on our merry way. Barnacles is the way we say what they say we can't say.
The rodeo came to town, I went down, thought I'd try some bull riding. That bovine bucked me off of his back with one mighty heave. The judges found after I hit the ground and I finished gliding. From under my cowgirl hat came some words that they couldn't believe. Now I say barnacles. It's a word that I heard down here. It's easier on the ear. Makes your troubles disappear. When you say barnacles, all the live long day. Barnacles is the way we say.
This might take a minute.
Can't say.
I gotta trace this in.
It's the best thing that you've ever heard.
It's a marvelous magical word.
When you stub your toe,
Barnacles! When your bomb won't blow!
barnacles!
When you lose your dough!
Barnacles! Barnacles!
Yeehaw!
Barnacles.
It's the best thing that you've ever heard.
It's a marvelous magical word.
I got hip to an investment tip that I play the stock market. My broker would not steer me wrong, he's a real sharp guy. What a trick, that was quick, so I dug way down deep in me pocket. Barnacles, I exclaimed, as I kissed my assets goodbye.
There.
Don't just say barnacles.
I still got one last arm to draw up.
Don't you sit around and mow.
Or get your mouth washed out with soap.
Simply say barnacles and go on your merry way. Barnacles is the way we say what they say. Barnacles is the way when you pop a Monday. Barnacles is the way we say what they say we can't say. Barnacles!
We got Patrick Starr on the phone to talk about his rockin' new song, Under My Rock. Patrick, are you there?
Hello?
This is Albert Curry on WH20, and you're on the air.
Hello?
Can you turn your radio down?
Hello?
Can you turn your radio down?
It's really hard to hear you, Al. Could you turn your radio down? Turn your radio down? Yeah, I heard you the first time.
Perfect. You turn the volume up. Turn it the other way.
What?
Here's the hose.
Okay, we're experiencing some technical difficulties. We'll try to get back to perfect labor. In the
And
meantime,
done.
let's
There he
focus
is.
on
That's Mega Blastoise.
going in a bold
Bam!
direction.